Okay, manufacturer's automobile serial number consists of 2 letters of the alphabet followed by 6 numerical digits. How many different serial numbers are possible? So, if you pick, right, 2 letters, there are 26 options for a letter. Again, there's another 26 options for a letter, okay? So that's 2 letters. 6 numbers, right, there are 10 options for a number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10 numbers. Times, okay, so another one, 6 of these. Okay, so you just put that in your calculator. I can't remember what that came out to be. Was it 676? I'll just try that myself. Okay, so 26 times 26 times, yeah, it came out to be that one there, okay? Right, a type of flowering tree comes in normal, giant and dwarf sizes. Each size has 4 different colours. So there are 3 varieties of trees and 4 different colours. That's that one. How many varieties are? There's 12, and that's it. That's fairly basic for that one. Okay, let's move on. Right, now then, remember this one? Doesn't matter. This is a combination question. This is you doing that. So there are 31 different codes, 31 flavours, and you're going to pick 2 from each. So, combination, this is this. 31 factorial over 31 minus 2 factorial. 2 factorial. So again, 31 factorial over 29 factorial, 2 factorial. And the idea is when you do this, is to do this. Put 31 factorial into your calculator. Divide it by 29 factorial. I would then hit the equal sign, okay? Whatever the answer comes out to be, then divide it by the 2 factorial, and then hit the equal sign again. Okay, I think I just kind of hit the computer off then. So if I put that in my calculator, okay, so 31 factorial divided by 29 factorial equals, divided by 2 factorial equals, I don't get any of those answers. I must have made a mistake. Hang on a second. Right, 31 factorial divided by 29 factorial equals, okay, divided by 2 factorial equals 465. Is that? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong. Oh, there it is, 465. Sorry, you know, I was looking at these questions down here. Okay, so 465. Right, for that one. Right, okay, next question. Question 8. On here, anyway. Right, 16. Now, I know we had some sort of argument to this, and it is easy to kind of realise, is it that, is it that? But if you do take a class, that means, you know, it isn't some sort of order. If I take a math class, I won't be doing it next semester. I might be doing an English class, okay? So this does have order. In other words, it's a permutation. We have 16 to choose from, and we're going to do 4. Okay, so it is 16 factorial over 16 minus 4 factorial. That's all, okay? So, 16 factorial divided by 12 factorial in my calculator. Okay, 16 factorial divided by 12 factorial equals, that's what I get. Okay, there we go. Okay, finally, now this one was a combination. It is a lottery, and you are picking, have we got any more questions on this? Is this the only question? Let's look at that one. We did that one. Okay. So, it is 6 numbers out of 40. So it is the combination again. So let me just erase this. Let's try it again. So a combination of 6 numbers out of 40. Is that what it is? So again, 40 factorial over 40 minus 6 factorial with a 6 factorial. Remember, this extra piece is for the combination. So, 40 factorial divided by 34 factorial equals, let's try that first. Okay, so 40 factorial divided by 34 factorial equals, then divided by, what was it? 6 factorial. So divided by, did I hit divided by 6 factorial equals, and I think, oh right, it came out to be this. Right, the answer was, okay, the answer was 3838380. In other words, that is how many different combinations there are. So the probability of picking one of those is 1 over that. So I have to just hit 1 over that. And that came out to be Right, it came out to be 0.8